Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on integration. Let's see how I can do this proficiently. So for the first one, part 5, we're gonna obviously this is latte. We let u be x, okay? So you have LIATE. This is by parts. So you use x as algebra. Then after you algebra and trigo, the a takes the precedence. So u is equals to x, and dv dx would just be sine half x. Okay, so du dx here will be 1. V will be integrating this will be negative cosine half x over half, and this will be minus 2 cosine half x. Okay, once this is done, what we're gonna uv, so x times minus 2 cosine x over 2 minus of v du dx, which is actually minus 2 cosine half x times 1. Okay, I think that's pretty okay. Once that is done, let me just move this aside. We could just integrate this. So this would be negative 2x cosine x over 2 plus 2 sine half x divided by half, which would be 4. This minus 2x cosine x over 2 plus 4 sine x over 2 plus c. Okay, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments at all, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.